What is going on, guys? This is going to be like a little bit of an update slash like plans for 2018 season. So basically, I haven't made a video in a while. As you guys saw, my last video was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, which was my last drift event. So the car is off the road. I started doing a little bit of body work to it. Although I'm not doing a whole lot just because it is kind of a hunk of shit. I'm going to be painting it. I did a little bit of, filler work here and there, a little bit of dent pulling. But, so basically what I have done so far, here I'll show you guys, is I kind of got the car apart a little bit. I got the fenders off. The fenders, I don't know if I like talked about them, but they're some type of over fenders, maybe deflex, I don't know. But these things are junk. They fit like shit. Whoever fixed them at one point use like Walmart Bondo, which is fine if you know what you're doing, but they just fucking butchered these. They fit like shit and they look like shit, so I gotta fix those up a little bit. You can see the fiberglass right there where they were broken at one point. I picked them up cheap, so it's whatever. So far the roof, there's a couple like dings in the roofs like going up from somebody doing the cage. I just kind of hit those down, got a little bit of filler on them, and smoothed them out, and then primed the thing. The doors, not worrying about the doors too much. They were in good shape for the most part. The quarters is where I kind of did most of the work. I used to have an antenna hole right here. I welded a patch in, and got that all smoothed out. Same with the wiper hole. That's all done. Came out all right. It was a quick little job. I did used to have 2 decent sized dents right here and on this part right here of the quarter. This is all dented in. Same with up here. I straightened it out a bit. Didn't go too crazy. I do plan on going over fenders in the future. So this is kind of like unnecessary work, but I don't know why I did it. I just did it. I straightened this out a little bit over here. But it was kind of like pointless work just because the quarter is so wavy and so fucked that it's just kind of stupid. I was saying, so the majority of the work I did was on this lip right here. It's nice and smooth now. Before, when I got the car, they were rolled pretty good, and then I went ahead and rolled them even more to fit bigger wheels and stuff in there. So it was like bacon. So I basically smoothed it out, pounded it out with like a hammer and a dolly set. Or I didn't even use any dollies. I just used the hammers, the ball peen and shit. But I got this straightened out for the most part. It looked pretty good. Going on to the other side, I kind of did the same thing. This side was not too bad. I had a couple dings right here and right here. I got those straightened out a little bit. I didn't worry about anything down here. I do have a run right there because it's so fucking cold in here. This side wasn't too bad. This side, as you can see, is not pulled as much. In my opinion, it looks way better, but it fits wheels, all my wheels, so it's gonna stay like that. Basically I did the same thing. I smoothed this out, made it nice and smooth to the touch at least. Didn't go too crazy up here just because it's like inevitable. Like you can't do body work just because it's so flimsy up here from rolling the fenders. But there was a spot right here that was just like, I honestly forget what it was. But I did that. Got the door down in 400. The roof, like I said, it's in primer. It's got a couple little spots. I don't know what these are. One over there. Anyways, so yeah, that's basically an update on the car. My plans for the car are to obviously paint it. It is going to be white. I'm not going to like hide it from you guys or from the 20 people who are going to watch this. It's going to be white. I got the paint. I've had the paint for like months now. I still have to do the bumpers, obviously. I'm not going to go too crazy on those just because they are clapped out. Same with the rear bumper. And I'm not really going to do too much. I'm going to do a Z32 Master with it. I'm going to get a different hydro e-brake just because that eBay one, the master cylinder kind of like fades out really quick and it just sucks. But yeah, so in the future, after I paint it, maybe I'll do the over fenders. I'll get a video of that. I do want to modify my knuckles again. Maybe get a stock, uncut pair, and then do a kind of like cut them but lower them, so it's like the just like where the tie rod mounts would be lower, and just it'd help with hanging up. And I mean, it does good. I do need a rack as well. My rack is kind of short. But yeah, so the reason why I haven't really been putting up any videos is, I'll bring it up. It's like maybe 5 degrees out right now in Massachusetts. It's been like ridiculously cold the past month. This whole month of December has been like brutal. As you can see, today is going to be a high of 10. Tomorrow's going to be a high of 10. You got 14. Tonight's going to be -5. So it's like my garage is not heated at all. So when I do get to do work, I have to drive 25 minutes and grab my buddy's space heater. I don't want to buy one just because it's like $400 for a decent one. I'd rather just, here and there grab his. But yeah, that's basically an update on this thing. Not going to be doing too much with it other than just paint. I got to touch up the engine bay a little bit where the master was leaking, and just kind of like ate away the paint. I wanted to paint the inside of the car, but I think I might just... I don't know, maybe I'll pull the seats after the exterior of the car is done. Maybe I'll pull the seats and pull the dash, and if I have any paint left, I'll just spray the inside white or pick up some other kind of single stage stuff. But I'll definitely get a video of me painting the car. Like I said, it is really cold, so I'm either gonna have to wait or buy a different type of heater, because the space heater, being diesel, it will react with the single stage paint and any other paint for that matter, besides like primer. But so yeah, that's basically it. I know I haven't really been keeping up with the channel. I don't have a huge following, but I do, appreciate all you guys liking it, whatever. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. It is cold. You guys want to see some snow drifting, some, just snowboarding. Like I've been snowboarding a little bit when it's not 5 degrees outside. Actually, my board's right there. But yeah, that's about it. Give this a like, comment down below if you want. Dislike, it doesn't matter to me. I'll still make the videos. I do have plans of buying my brother's Turbo Civic. That would be like future plans. I might buy my buddy's Subaru. I don't know if you guys have seen it in like previous videos. It's a wagon. He's just kind of sick of the whole Subaru game, and I'm not. I haven't had a Subaru in a very long time, so I'm kind of itching to get one. But yeah, so that's about it for this video. Like I said, give it a like, comment, say whatever you want. Roast me in the comments, I don't care. Just expect some more videos on this thing coming.